A very popular implement that we stock here at the moment at Clarkes of Cavan, instead of give you a quick walkthrough of, is one of these bad boys here. So it's a Fleming 9ft hydraulic lift roller. So of course manufactured by Fleming. So brief specifications of it. It only takes a matter of seconds. It's all hydraulically done. It takes a matter of seconds to go from transport to working, as I said, in a matter of seconds. Okay. So overall specifications of it. It has a 36-inch barrel diameter and also has a 12mm barrel thickness. So it is quite a heavy duty. It is also fitted with a heavy duty box frame. Okay, so it is very well manufactured, very well put together by Fleming. Very good flotation tyres on it, 200s. Okay, so we do stock these at the moment at Clarkes of Cavan. It does also have your heavy duty ram then situated at the front of the roller. Not much to something like this. A roller is a roller at the end of the day, but it is very well kept, very well put together by Fleming. So we would stock a number of these in the sales out here at Clarkes of Cavan. So if you do need a bit more pricing or a bit more information, you can ring myself or any of the other sales guys on 083 131 5178 or any other sales guys there. As I said, delivery can be done nationwide and finance is also available, or do call in, take a look and see for yourself. So as I do say there, if you're on the market for something like this, do call in and let us know what you think.